Occasionally, a very special type of car arrives at the garage that is built for one purpose: rallying. There's been a few Mexicos, a Volvo Amazon, and even a Ford Granada support vehicle. But one of the most memorable was a TR7 V8.
Great, isn't it? Isn't it fab? I think it's absolutely fab. But I'm reliably informed by those that own them that they're an absolute handful.
At the auction, it sold for a tidy sum.
33, 34, 34 he says, 35, 35,000 in the doorway, 35.
The highest bidder was race engineer David Appleby from Somerset. The TR7 V8 soon joined some very exclusive cars.
What we do here is that we run GT cars throughout Europe and the world in both British and European Championship for private clients as well as teams. We're associated Aston Martin partner team.
Since buying the TR7 V8, David has done everything needed to give it FIA Group 4 Historic Rally certification.
If you look underneath, all the front suspension, subframes have all been changed and altered. Rebuilt all the axle and then redone the fuel system. Doesn't look a lot on the outside, but a bit like a swan. Underneath it's all kicking off.
Just puts a smile on your face, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. We did manage to rally it. We've done the historic RAC in Bath. It's not like an Escort, which is quite an easy car to drive. You know, short wheelbase, a lot of power. Wants to chuck you off the road at any given time, really. So, yeah.
David's historic rallying passion has become an obsession. Rally spec TR7 V8s are now multiplying.
We got a shell, which is virtually finished being prepped. About 600 hours of fabrication. Then we got 2 cars in the process of build. Like Christmas. That's come straight from the engine builders now to go into this chassis here.
And it doesn't stop there.
We've also done a van in historic specification as well. Proper time warp. Only thing that's got old is us.